Guess I'm gonna have to dig a little deeper in this one. Yep, I have to dig a little deeper. And now, whoops! There you are, you little devil. Ha ha! Now this is what I call show accuracy. But does it have any batteries? Nope, it does not. Haha! Batteries not included. Battery compartment to the back. The batteries are not included. But we are prepared. I just need to find something to prick it with. I don't know if this will break, but I gotta try. Okay, let's see. There we go. These two AAAs. Batteries not included, but we are prepared. So, here we are. The white Mozzie phone from Mahou Sentai Mozzie Ranger.